All right, so here we go. I gotta hurry up before my husband comes out. As I was saying, my camera is full, so now we gotta add that. My card is full, so we're gonna add that to the list of stuff. This angle is so weird, but whatever. Add that to the list of stuff. So yeah, so we are about to head out to the school to get the stuff, and then when we go to Target, I'm gonna get the snacks, as well as now a new memory card. Oh, I'm gonna go to Walmart because you get a better deal at Walmart. Yeah, get a lot more space. Definitely do a better deal at Walmart. So I'm gonna find my way out to Walmart, but for now it's okay because I was going to use my phone anyways for like all the stores I gotta go to. People be funny acting when you have cameras, but if I'm on my phone, you can't tell what I'm doing anyway. So with that being said, yeah, I'm gonna wait to go to Walmart, but I do know we gotta go to the grocery store because I gotta get some. So for lunch we're gonna do some veggie spring rolls, egg rolls, whatever you want to call them, but on the vegan wraps. So we're gonna do that, and then I think it's Bluebird. They have some cauliflower like barbecue wings type of thing. So I know it's a weird combination, but that's just kind of what we feeling today. So we're gonna do that eventually for lunch as time goes on. So with that being said, about to roll out. So school. Well, I forgot my whole checklist. School. And then the craft store and Target. But I'm gonna wait to go to Hobby Lobby because I don't want him to see me spend on this. That's horrible. I don't want him to see me spend unnecessary money. And I gotta get my oil changed too before the weekend hits. And I gotta put air in my tire. But I don't want him to see me spend unnecessary money at Hobby Lobby. I don't know how I'm gonna finesse this one. I could do it tomorrow. I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby tomorrow. Excuse me. I can go to Hobby Lobby tomorrow. Because, yeah, I don't want him to think I'm just spending money today. Yeah. Hobby Lobby tomorrow it is. So I'll go to Joann's today. I'll just plead the blood as I'm walking through there. And get my stuff. And these are going to be like 3 different. Everything's not going to be in the same video. Because this is more than likely going to be a weekend. Not more than likely. It is going to be a weekend video. So why am I talking about everything I'm doing? Well, we can, we still prepping for the weekend, but I know the blanket that my fall blanket that I'm doing, that's going to be a separate video, as well as when I do my hair, because that's actually going to be tied into another hair video. Excuse me, tied into another hair video. So, yep, and then the weekend. So I'm trying. This is different. This is different. I knew I wasn't gonna do this every day. I knew that wasn't gonna happen. But anyways, okay, this is the longest intro ever. So I'll see you at school. Okay, I'm home, wrapped up, looking like somebody should start singing to me, Mary, did you know? But no, I'm back home. I'm a little salty because, when it comes out to recording in public, I don't know if you want to call it like social anxiety or what you want to call it, but I definitely have it when it comes out to recording in public. Like, when we went to the school, I started to record some of it, and I would have inserted that footage. We went to the school, I called myself, I started to record, and like when we got to the spot, they weren't ready yet. They were not ready yet. And I was like, oh, okay, well, fine, whatever. Even still just like waiting, there was like people, and I'm like, I don't want people all up in my business. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, like, what's she doing? Like, why she crying? Why she doing? I don't know. And then I could have recorded like as we were like waiting and when it was time, because it was just like a table. But that, even still with that, like these other girls was like jumping the line, and we was talking to like this random guy, because I said something to Ben, like I whispered something to Ben, but the guy was like, I'm tracking with y'all because Ben said something, and so he was like, I feel the same way. So yeah, but we ended up getting the stuff. I got 2 hoodies and Ben got a beanie. What else happened? And then after that, we did go to Target like we supposed to. I just went in for, and I think because especially with going to Target and Kroger, since I was on a mission and Ben was with me, I think if he wasn't with me, then, and if I wasn't on a mission, I felt like I probably would have did a little better job. But for some reason, it was like people outside. I like 10 something this morning. I mean, it was like a lot of people, and then people were like stocking at Target. So I'm trying to like get myself. I want to record this Target worker over here, and I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't want to be like weird about it. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just not going to record. And I thought about like, what's the word? Not scheming, but I thought about like running the back once like another store, like acting like this is what I was doing. I was like, I don't feel like doing it. Even like with Kroger, I mean, it was like stuff happening in Kroger. I was like, oh man, I was like, I probably should have got that, but it wasn't until after the fact. So again, I think it's just when it's like a lot of people, and depending on where I'm at, because if I'm out and about, like at like an event or something like that, or like of course yes, my phone will be out, but you just like at the grocery store, you know what I'm saying? Like who just randomly walks around like with their phone? Yep. And then the next clip you will see actually is us getting ready to go. This is going to be a long vlog. It's definitely gonna be a long vlog. Yeah.